So I lost $22,000 yesterday. Live on the stream with Dave. Not my best day. Still green on the week, so I'm not too mad about it. But I lost $22,000 yesterday. That hurts. The lesson for the day, I think, was cut your losses a little bit earlier. I normally do. For some reason, I didn't yesterday. I lost $1,000 per account on 22 accounts. And now I'm just taking the weekend to reset. Remind myself not to be an asshole when I'm trading. And just kind of enjoying the view. Drinking my coffee, walking around in the rain. Here. Not bad.